Hello, I'm Darshan, and this is my video on assignment 1 of GD50. So this assignment had 3 tasks. The first was to randomize the gap between the pipes. The second one was to randomize pipe spawn rate, and the last one was to add pause feature. So let me show you all of that. So the pause feature, I've implemented the pause feature, and we could unpause it again. As you can notice, the gap between the pipes and also the spawn rate is randomized. So yeah, another task was to add a badge. So I've added 5 badges for score 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, so that's all for the tasks. So let's take a look at the code. Uh, for badges, I created these PNG images using Inkscape, and I added all of those in score state as a table, and based on the score I just drew them on the screen. And the next task was to implement pause feature, so that I implemented it in the play state, so we could pause either by pressing enter or return. So I've added a variable called isPaused, which we just do boolean not on it, and if the variable is false, then we just do the usual stuff, else we do nothing. That's basically pausing the game. And in render, we just render everything except when the game is paused. We also render the text saying that the game is paused. And another task was to randomize the gap between the pipes. So for that, I created this gap height variable and randomized it between 80 and 120, then used that in here, so that would randomize the gap. And another task was to randomize pipe spawn rate. So for that, I created this constant called timer limit. So instead of fixed timer limit 2 that we had here, I created a constant timer limit 3, and also another variable timer adjust. So initially that's 0. So the first pipe would spawn after 3 or so seconds, and after that I get a random number -1 or 1, then add to it, and the spawn rate would be randomized. So that's all for the tasks. Thank you.